Snowball was a happy white cat who lived in a cozy home. One lazy afternoon, Snowball was relaxing by the window when suddenly, the sweet aroma of something baking filled the air. Curious, she followed the scent to the kitchen. There, the old teapot released a swirl of colorful smoke, and the Teapot Fairy appeared once again. "Today's a special day," the fairy said with a smile. "I'm baking fortune cookies for your little human's birthday, and there will be magical fortune cards inside." With a flick of his tiny wand, the Teapot Fairy began chanting a spell. "Cookies sweet, cards that glow, birthday magic, let's make it so." As the spell was cast, the dough on the table rolled itself into perfect little rounds. With a flash of the oven, the cookies baked to a golden crisp, filling the room with a delicious aroma. Then, with another wave of his hand, a pile of shimmering fortune cards appeared on the table. Each card carried a special birthday message, ready to be hidden inside the fortune cookies, bringing delightful surprises to the party. "Get ready, Snowball. This is going to be the best birthday party ever," the Teapot Fairy said with a grin. Snowball watched in awe, knowing that her little human would be thrilled by the magic. Each bite of the fortune cookie would reveal a special birthday wish, making the day full of excitement and joy. This heartwarming story blends birthday magic with a sprinkle of fun, as Snowball and the Teapot Fairy create an unforgettable surprise for a special celebration.